Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a Twitter or X account public. First things first, launch the Twitter app on your device. Then, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once here, scroll down and locate Settings and Privacy and tap to access these settings. Within Settings and Privacy, just look for and tap on Privacy and Safety. Among the options in Privacy and Safety, make sure to choose Audience and Tagging. Look then for the setting labeled Protect Your Tweets, then make sure to toggle it off. Lastly, when you have toggled it off, your tweets will now be visible to anyone on Twitter, regardless of whether they follow you or not. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.